A little sign in here, a touch of Wi-Fi there, and we'll have your PC ready for all you plan to do. Your region is set to India. Is that right?
Okay, right.
Your keyboard is set to United States International. Want to stick with that?
English India.
Do you also type with another keyboard layout?
Okay.
Now let's get you connected to a network. That way you can get updates, apps, and cat videos as soon. Now type your credentials. Mission accomplished. You're all linked up. Next up, the legal stuff. In short, you'll need to select Accept to use Windows. Now let us know if this computer is owned by your work or school, or if it's yours. We'll set it up accordingly. Type your Type what you want to name your account. Okay, now type a password for your account. And one more time to make sure we've got it right. Now you can set up 3 security questions to help you reset your password if you forget it. Choose the first question and type your answer. Third one's a charm. Choose your last question, type the answer, and you're good to go. Use Windows Hello to unlock your PC with just your fingerprint. Hey, look, that's me, Cortana. Can I have permission to use the... These are the settings Microsoft... Your device manufacturer would like your contact info to send you updates and so. Almost done now. We just need to get a few more things polished up for you, and Windows will be all yours. Looking forward to helping out.